So here's how you can download audio from Google Drive on the iPhone, and let's get us started. If you're new on this channel, most definitely subscribe so you never miss anything important in the future. Essentially, there are some things you should know within the Google Drive application, which I believe you should have installed, right? You can go to the search and type in the audio file. You can literally look it up by extension or just simply find it on your Google Drive. Next to the audio file, you should be able to find the More Options button indicated by the three dots like that in the top right corner, and you now have the ability to click on the Download button. So it will perform the download like that. It will export it from the Google Drive, and now you have to decide where you're gonna save it locally on your iPhone. So the best case scenario is to click on a Save to Files, and you now get to pick the specific folders and place where you want to just save it, right? So you can pick it to be the Downloads folder, or you can create a brand new one, whatever. But you hit Save, and the audio file will be then part of the Files application. You can access it offline all the time, and it's just there. It is no longer on the Google Drive. I mean, it probably still stayed there, but you can also access it on the iPhone within the Files application. So this is how you can download the audio from the Google Drive on iPhone. So let me know if we managed to do what you needed. Most definitely subscribe for more tutorials and videos similar to this one, and I'll talk to you later in the next videos as well, right? But in case of any questions, leave that below, and hopefully I'll get to see you later in the next uploads.